In this video, we will learn how to format date in Excel. Select the cells that you want to change the date format of. On the Home tab, go to the Number section and expand it. On the Number tab, select Date and choose the type of date format and click OK, and the date will be formatted. You can also select a date and choose a different type of country location for the date format. Click on OK, and the date format will be changed. You can also select Custom and choose our own settings. Click on OK, and the custom date format will be applied.